In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a link in Todoist in the fastest and easiest way possible. Whether you want to save a website, attach a reference, or keep an important resource inside a task, Todoist makes it simple. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips just like this. Let's get started. First, open Todoist and go to the task where you want to add your link. You can add a link in either the task name or the task description, depending on how you want to organize your notes. If you want the link to be visible right inside the task, place it in the task text. If you want to keep the task title clean, paste it into the description instead. Now, copy the URL you want to add. This could be a website, a document, a video, or any online resource you want to save for later. Once the link is copied, click into the task text or description field where you want it to appear. Then simply paste it in using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Todoist will automatically recognize the URL, and in many cases it will turn into a clickable link right away. If you want to use standard Markdown formatting, you can also manually create a linked text format by placing the text you want to display and attaching the URL in the proper Markdown style. This is useful if you want the task to look cleaner instead of showing the full web address. For example, if you are adding a reference for a project, you might name the task something like Review Website Notes, then place the link in the description so it stays neatly organized. If you are using the link in the task name, keep it short and easy to read so it does not make the task harder to scan. The key thing to remember is that Todoist supports simple paste and link behavior, so you usually do not need any complicated steps. Just copy the URL, click where you want it, and paste. That's it. It's a quick way to keep all your important links tied directly to the tasks they belong to. If you use Todoist every day for work, school, or personal planning, this trick can save you a lot of time and help you keep everything in one place. It's especially helpful for research links, meeting notes, project resources, and anything else you want to revisit later. And that's how to add a link in Todoist in just a few seconds. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tutorials that make your apps easier to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.